Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can convert your YouTube long format video into AI short video. So using 2shorts.ai you can create your AI generated shorts video from your long content video. Okay, so why you should use 2shorts AI? Because if you are a beginner and if you want to grow your YouTube channel, also if you want to save your valuable time, so this video for you. So you can use as starter free, that's mean 30 minutes for AI video analyzing per month, view and export already generated short clips, a full access to all features. So don't worry if you are a student or if you are a marketer, if you want to make money on online using YouTube platform. Okay, so there are several ways you can make money, like you can monetize your video like Google AdSense. Also you can promote your products and affiliate products. So shorts video is the one of the greatest way to grab the audience attention and grab the views. So that's why always YouTube gurus, they always recommend to upload shorts video when the visitors visit your YouTube channel first time, and then when you upload long content video, I think they will get noticed and might be they are interested to watch your videos. That's the tricks, guys. Okay, so no more delay, so let's get started. So first of all I'm going to copy a video, so let's open my latest video. Alright, so before jumping into the video, if you are new here, so don't forget to subscribe. I make videos how you can make money online, how you can start your freelancing journey, how can you start YouTube. So this is the video, guys, I just created last day. Okay, create 1 month of Pinterest content in 1 minute. So if you are interested to grow Pinterest, so watch this video. It's a step-by-step tutorials, so I think you will love it. Okay, so let's copy the video URL. So right click on the video and copy the video URL, and let's back to the tools, 2shorts AI. Okay guys, so let's click on sign in. So if you don't have any account, so using Gmail you can sign up with this account, and it's alright. So also you can use your business email. So after successfully login, you will see pretty simple dashboard ready to create shorts in seconds. Okay, you start by pasting your YouTube video link below. Alright guys, and those are the recent history that I've already made. Alright, so let's put the video URL here. Alright, so you will find no shorts were found. Don't worry, just click on generate shorts, and finally here are your shorts video. So how many shorts we got? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 shorts over there, and each and every shorts you can edit and you can download. So how we can do this? So number 1, boost your Pinterest business. This is the title. Number 2, instantly generate engaging pins, 56 seconds long, and the first one is 43 seconds long. Okay, and this one is 83 seconds long. Okay, so let's click on the arrow and you will get a new page. Okay, and effortlessly Pinterest templates. This is the starting and end point, 83 seconds. This is really long, I think so. So I'm not going to use this one, so rather I will create this one. Okay, or the first one. So let's try the first one. It's perfect because it's 43 seconds. So click on edit and export button. Okay guys, and it's time to trimming. So they are trimming our video, and then I think it will landed a new page where we can edit like sound or background, images, footage or subtitle, etc. Alright guys, so finally our video is here, and you will find the subtitle sections. So subtitle style, choose the subtitle style present to get started. So I think this one is perfect. Also subtitle transition, word bounce, subtitle slide up, subtitle bounce you can add also there, and the old highlights and the color. Okay, subtitle splitting 20 letters, so I'm going to make it 30 letters. Okay, and subtitle position bottom, perfect. Also you can change the font settings. Okay, also you can enable the background box, also enable the word reveal. Okay, so I think everything is perfect. So it's time to export the video. Okay, so let's click on export button. Alright guys, and our video already exported. Okay, so this is the video, boost your Pinterest business. Okay, so it's time to upload into our YouTube channel. So let's back to our YouTube channel and click on create and upload video. Let's click on select files and then select the video. So still now video is taking 11%, 9 minutes left. So make it unlisted, and then when it down 100%, then you can publish it. So until then, click on save. So this is how you can generate a shorts video from your long content video. So you can use your own video, also you can use others YouTubers video. So it's a win-win situation. If you are a freelancer, you can make a shorts without editing. This is the greatest chance to make money online, also doing services like freelancing services. I hope you got it. So if you have any queries, please comment below. I am really happy to support you guys. So I will come back with another new tutorials. So stay tuned. See you in the next video.